Welcome back. Now we have already installed PyCharm on our machine. Next we will configure this IDE and we will write our first program in it. So just open the PyCharm editor on your machine. I have already installed PyCharm on my machine and I have just opened it. When you open PyCharm on your machine first time, it may ask you to import some configurations. At that step, as you did not have any previous installations of PyCharm, so just say no, you do not want to import any setting. Next, it may ask you to choose a theme. You have two options here, dark theme or light theme. Just select the one as per your preference and move to the next step. After that, it may also ask you to select some plugin. PyCharm provides some certain plugins that help in working with different other tools. As of now, we do not need any, so we just start using PyCharm without any plugin. And PyCharm also gives some tips about its own usage. If you are new to PyCharm, you may go through these tips. As of now, we are just moving ahead to create the new project. And after that, PyCharm will ask you to create a project. So you will see a window something like this where you can select the location of your new project. So just select any location on your hard drive as per your choice and then say create. Before hitting this create button, just make sure that this particular checkbox is checked, that to create a main.py file with a welcome script, right? So just hit this create button. Now it is creating the new project. And when this new project is opened, you will see some default content in the main.py file. If you notice here, main.py file is selected and it is coming with some default content. We will explain this default content when we understand the Python to some extent. As of now, I am just deleting this default content and putting in some simple content. So let me delete it. Now I'm adding a simple print statement in this file. So just say print hello. So this is our simple program where we are just saying hello. The next step, we need to save this particular file. For saving it, you just need to press this file and you can press this save all, or alternatively you can use this shortcut of Ctrl S. So let us use the shortcut. I am pressing Ctrl S to save the file, and after that we can now run the file. For running the file, you just use this play button. If you notice here, this play button is there. So just press this play button and you will get the output window where you can see the hello is coming. So we asked Python to print hello and it is saying hello here. Now let us add a few more print statements. Okay, so now we have added a few more print statements. Just make sure that you do not have any space or indentation before the first character on any line. Okay, and after that you just again save the file and run it. So press Ctrl S and then press this play button. And now you can see the output has changed to hello, followed by 1, 2, and then welcome to the course of programming. If you notice, there was a blank line after this print hello here, which has been ignored by Python and no action has been taken corresponding to this blank line. It is just printing what it has been asked to in different print statements. So it is printing hello, 1, 2 and welcome to the course of programming. If you are getting this output, you have successfully installed PyCharm integrated development environment on your machine, and our setup is ready now to work with the next set of programs in the next chapters. So with this, thank you for your time in this chapter. See you in the next one. Thank you.